gotta do an intro for this. I forgot. My bad.
Hello everybody, I am back, and this time I was at Airsoft Tactical for their Black Friday game, and it was a lot of fun, and I got some great gameplay with my SSG one and my hi-capa, so I'll go ahead and shout up and roll the clips.
I can't see nothing. It's so cold in here, bro.
Nah, it's warm. Don't worry, I paid the refs, guys. We can do full auto.
Bruh.
Sight, your old man.
Ready? Alright, we're off the break, boys. Pew pew lol.
What if I just like disarm you?
Make him dance.
Disarm.
Make him dance. Like, just grab it from you and turn it around and
Look at the fist.
That's crazy.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
What's your YouTuber name?
Underscore eventide. All lowercase.
Why is it named underscore eventide?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Because-
If you're gonna stay back and camp in the kill house.
Go to the top floor.
Yeah, we're just gonna lay on the
Top
couch
floor.
right there.
What if we camp in the woods behind the dumpster?
Yes.
What if we?
No, bro, go farther. You know what? I'm gonna just die. You know what? I'm gonna just die. I didn't even get shot. I just decided to die. I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna die.
I'm not. You can't do that. Get the party in the U.S.
Yeah, you're still in the spawn zone.
Yo, just like.
Yeah, I know. Get to the club.
You have to sing Arcane away, right? Get that high note like
Such pew.
Okay,
Pew, pew.
I'm gonna go lay on the couch.
Someone pop out so I can shoot you.
Well, the weather outside is rizzy, but the fire is so skibbity. But since I've got to go, oh hi-yo.
Bang, 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 bang.
Where'd that come from?
I'm sorry. I tried to bang you. I tried to bang you.
That was nice.
This one, man. That was sweet.
Wait, are you banned?
Yeah, I'm bad.
Bang, bang. Oh, really? Cool. Hey, y'all have cookies?
What?
Do you want candy?
There's someone over there, I think, that has cookies. Are you the cookie monster?
Yo, can I get some cookies?
Bro, what?
Brownies, too?
With a cherry on top?
Yo, and vanilla icing, too.
Yeah, we would love that so much.
Oh, and can you put some whipped cream on the brownies, too? That ain't that bad. I'm a stupid. I will retrieve the flag. Oh wait, there's actually no one here. Oh wait, they moved it. What? Where is it? Wait. Oh, okay, okay. Wait, where? Oh, there we go. I'm sorry, I was confused. They moved it from last time. They moved it and then they moved it again. Yeah. There's a spawn building there. I can't shoot them.
See?
Guys, we need to make
I think
the
I need enough
song.
of my SPF.
You're killing my ears. Why must you do this? I'm sorry, kid. You're a threat to civilian life. I'm sorry. You're just a threat to civilian life. That's the reason I killed you. Next, if someone gets mad at me, I'm just gonna do that. This town ain't big enough for the both of it. I got a kill one time. The first time I was using my hi-capa, that's how I got a kill. It's hilarious. I think he's
way too
dead.
much fun.
My hop-up need to go up.
A few moments later.
Is it going down or up? Oh yeah, I was going down too much. You're not coming for me, are you? You better not. You better no. Bang 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 bang.
Dude,
FNAF
it's Black Friday.
the
They have to give us the flag with half the resistance.
FNAF the musical. Hold flag! We got the flag! Hit! Hey, someone get in here! Hey bro, cover me! Yeah.
Right.
Alright, good. Wait, wrong way. Wait, which way? Yeah, that. Yippee! You're dry firing. I'll call it though, I'll call it. Oh, sorry. Hey, Dawson. I have one BB. Can I shoot it into there? Okay.
That was 2.
Well, I was meaning in
So
my
you lied to
mag.
me.
In my mag.
You lied to me.
No, I was meaning.
You said there was 2.
I didn't specify.
You didn't say there was
one
2,
in
you
my
said there was
mag.
1.
One in my mag.
No, you still lied.
I
That's
did
3
lie.
games.
I did lie. All right, I'll sit out. On the ramp. Bailey.
Another.
Okay.
Like Hydra.
Oh, yo.
There you go.
Mehi can get out.
Sure. Coming back.
Hit. Wait, is he dead? Bro, what?
Right behind you.
I got him.
Start with 5! Oh, we're down to 3. Yeah. Other side of this half wall.
You might be dead.
2 down here, 2 down low.
Anybody else are rushing?
It's
instantly?
cold. Why is it so cold?
It's cold.
Why are you cold?
There you go.
I mean, I've never met a man named Victoria, so.
I'm not Victoria. I'll have you know, I'm Louis Vuitton. I'm so sorry. Yeah. People telling me good shot like I actually am.
Oh, shit. Good shot, bro.
You got me, Joey. On this corner. Hit. Hit. Where at?
Guys, I'm on here too.
Sorry.
They was right there.
Huh? Yo, that's crazy.
I too did.
Okay.